Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Gems, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Gems, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, the Empress, Eight of Cups, the High Priestess, Justice, the Hermit, Nine of Swords, Page of Wands, the Temperance, and the Eight of Pentacles. So I have somebody who's spending a lot of time in solitude, a lot of romantic feelings as well here, Gemini. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Cups. So there's been a bit of disruption where I think this Empress is now not wanting to grow in this connection, or something has kind of disrupted the dynamic of this connection. But somebody wants to return now. Somebody wants to return because certain things have come out in the open and they've realized the injustice that has been caused to this Empress. Somebody is spending a lot of time in solitude and stressing about it as well, as to all the wrongs that have been done in this connection. So what I'm going to do before I clarify these cards, Gems, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. Gemini and their person, spirit. Gemini and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. Okay. And a couple from here as well. Gemini and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go, Gemini. The first card here says, being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. So this could have been a third-party situation, I don't know. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want you to tell me what's going on. I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. So there's communication problems as well. I have moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I have chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. I think this is this Empress who's been waiting for a while, but now realize that if it's not going to work, then I'm not going to put in any effort as well. I might as well focus on myself. And let's see, what will be, will be. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. So I think neither of you have really opened up and spoken about the real issue that the problems, this connection's been facing. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I don't believe this, Gemini. Every zodiac till now, Leo, Sagittarius, what else was there? Libra, all of them got a card similar to this, about talking about how life is so short and how precious this time that we have on planet Earth. This pandemic has really hit everyone's psyche in a big way. Everybody is realizing that life is just life and should be not wasted. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Yeah, somebody has been in hermit mode for some time and they've been realizing that they haven't done the right thing to this Empress, and they want to tell this Empress, I think, now that they do love, they do have love. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. So the friendship was there, everything was there, but I don't think you people have really told each other how you feel. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. Okay, James, if this seems to be your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels can bless you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Child. I think you have to let the past go, Gemini, and see this connection, see this relationship with absolute innocence, like a fresh new beginning, without carrying any of the old baggage of what happened, what didn't happen, what was said, what was not said, and start enjoying this connection like new. See this connection as the wonder, with the wonderment of a child's eyes, and start enjoying it. So that's the advice my angels are giving you. Let's see what's going on here. The Empress spirit, Empress in reverse. Yes, the Empress, I think, has gotten herself out of confusion. Maybe the masculine here had many options, so my feminine here has decided that I'm going to remove myself from that option. Those options. I'm going to choose myself. I'm no longer interested in being juggled or being part of somebody's options. Some secrets probably came out about what was going on, and this feminine has decided to pull back and say, hey, if you can't choose me, then I might as well choose myself. Yes, something got disrupted here. This had the potential of having long-term stability, long-term happiness, but I think now this Empress is no longer believing that, since I don't think they were chosen, right, in the first place. So they feel that this is not possible, this is never going to happen. So 8 of Cups spirit, 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is normally a person walking away, but this is in reverse. So yes, I think this feminine has released the need to control. They've decided, I'm not going to control this connection anymore. I'm going to leave it to the universe. Let karma do their thing. Even though I think this feminine doesn't have any hope left, they are quite open, I think, to a return if there is. High Priestess in reverse spirit. Yes, this person is kind of just not wanting to be stressed about it anymore. They are kind of releasing. It's almost like a release of stress, and say that, hey, if this ever has to come back into balance, it will. I'm not going to worry about it, and I'm going to choose myself and let the universe decide what it has to do. So there is a feeling of letting go here from the feminine's part. Justice in reverse spirit. Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse is clarified by the Justice in reverse, and 2 different decks here. So yes, there is somebody here who's now gone into hermit mode. I think this is the masculine, who are now by themselves and thinking about all the wrongs that have been done in this connection. Yes, maybe this connection came to an end. Maybe there was a third party involved. Somebody who was in the mix here. Queen of Wands in reverse could be sometimes signifies a third person in the mix, and this hermit is now kind of understanding what went wrong with this connection, and they're very stressed out about it as well. Hermit spirit? Hermit? Somebody here is realizing now. Now they're realizing the romantic feelings, the emotions they have for this, and the love. Oh my God! Look at this Ace of Cups. They're realizing that they're actually deeply in love with this Empress, and they've lost it. Or if they don't get out of this stuck place that they're in, there is a potential to lose the best love that is available to them. Nine of Swords spirit? Nine of Swords. Somebody is very, very stressed out because things are still in troubled waters yet. Instead of going into a happier place, the conflict has only grown, I think, because of this third party here. And maybe one person was giving to two, or there was breadcrumbing going on. Somebody here is recognizing the part they played to make this, connection this imbalanced, the injustice that was created. Page of Wands spirit? Page of Wands. Yeah, somebody now wants to somebody wants to kind of say something or send a message, but right now they don't have the courage because things have really become imbalanced, and also they don't know whether their apology will even be accepted now. Because there's some lies that they told, or something was not clear in this connection. Maybe some lies got caught in this connection. Somebody's kind of feeling a little scared, I think, that if I do say something now, if I do try and apologize, I don't think it'll even be accepted now, because they're recognizing the lies that has been told to this feminine in this connection, and they know that the feminine is probably very distrusting of them and has their guard up and is very angry and upset with them as well. So now this masculine doesn't know what work to put in. Eight of Pentacles in reverse, clarified by the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, is like somebody recognizing the work that was not put into this connection, and the more they're thinking about it, it's not making them very happy. So now we have the World card. So what's that spirit? Is that an ending, or do they want a brand new beginning here? The World. This person is worried. Yes, maybe there's distance between the two of you right now. There is difficulty in coming back together. Some things have been, the things that have been revealed now to this feminine now has put this masculine under a lot of stress. They know they've really ruined the best connection that they could have had, right? And they're not happy that they're feeling, I think they're feeling that this feminine has now shut the chapter on them. Why? Because they never put in any work when the time was right. And now when they want to put in the work, when they've recognized their emotions, the love that they have for this feminine, they've been hiding it all this while. So anything else, Spirit, for Gemini? Anything that can be helpful here? Somebody has to make a choice here. Somebody who has been lying in the past. King of Swords in reverse is a person who's a liar, right? Maybe because of gossip or some immature behavior. Somebody has been lying in this connection here. Spirit is saying you have to make a clear-cut choice, decision, and take back control and take back power and do the right thing if you want to bring back justice. Re-begin from ground zero. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Gemini. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.